A backpack is more than a bag. It's an expression of who you are, what you like, where you work, and more. And now, you can bring that expression into the digital age. Introducing the Biosled, a dynamic LED display backpack. Students and young people can keep up with trends by customizing them with text, pictures, and GIF animations. It's great for school, nights out, sporting events, airports, malls, music festivals, birthday parties, public transit, museums, anywhere you want lots of people to see your unique personality. Plus, using the Biosled is super simple. Just download the free LED Space app to control it. Use it to create holiday themes like Halloween, Christmas, Easter, New Year's, and more. Or to show your sports allegiance, support political candidates, bring attention to public welfare issues, and more. What's more, the Biosled backpack is great for advertising purposes. Employees can promote your business wherever they go. Nonprofit organizations can use them to easily get the word out about their social service programs. And political campaign teams can amplify their presence at any event. So change things up with the stylish Biosled backpack. Order yours at biosledbackpack.com today for a special holiday discount.